Exercise 12. To study bacteria in pond water, a scientist completely filled two cube-shaped containers with samples of pond water. When filled, the first container held 64 cubic centimeters of pond water. So we have two cube-shaped containers. Let's create the first one. That could have been the first one. And we know that for this one, it held 64 cubic centimeters. So its volume would have been 64 cubic centimeters. The length of each side of the second container was 3 times. So the second one would have been even greater. So let this be the second one. And we know that the sides of this one, each side is 3 times as big as the sides of the first one. How can I find the sides of the first one? Through its volume. I know that in a cuboid, in a cube basically, all sides are equal. And we know that the volume of a cube is given by multiplying the three sides, length, width, height. In this case, they are all equal to x, so the volume would be given by x cubed. But since we know that that volume is equal to 64, this means that 64 is equal to x cubed, which means that x should be 4. Now, the sides of the bigger one, of the second cube-shaped container, are 3 times as big, 3 times the length of each side of the first container. So, if the first one was 4, then the second one would have been 12, 12, and 12. And therefore, its volume would have been 12 cubed. Now, if I go and use Desmos for that, let's do 12 times 12 times 12. It's gonna be 1728, which means that the right answer for this specific question is C.